how to sign up to be a Shien ambassador. All these tips that I'm gonna give you, it's for free. So if you're a Shien body like me and you're a Shien member like me and you like to save a little money, so you shop on Shien, this vlog is for you. So sit down, grab some juice, grab some water, and watch this vlog to the end.
I ain't playing with you.
Hey besties, welcome back to the vlog. So guys, if you're new to my channel, I am Anna. If you're a regular supporter of Anna's Signature Squad, thank you so much, and please remember, I appreciate you so much. Guys, for all those who are new to my channel, I do lifestyle vlogs, I do get ready with me, I do vlogs with my kids. Since of lately, I started switching up a little and I'm coaching you guys how to make some moolahs in the comfort of your homes. So guys, just stick with the program, watch this video to the end, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like up the videos, share up the videos to get me onto this algorithm. Yes, this YouTube algorithm, because I've recently switched up the vlog and I need these contents to be pushed out, and without your help I'll be stuck. So guys, if you find the video somewhat interested, somewhat interesting, please go ahead and just subscribe to the channel. Y'all supposed to be tired of me telling you guys to subscribe now, but okay guys, so this is a little girl from my community. Well, it's not a little girl, it's a little young lady. Guys, I need you guys to support her. She has lupus. She has floppy heart, and she has a kidney problem. I'll drop the link down in my description for her GoFundMe. You guys can go there and support her, please. I am begging each and everyone. From you can do it, do it. If you don't have it, you can keep her in your prayers. Thank you. However, it is what it is. So today guys, I'll be hitting our next topic. Guys, I'll be telling you guys how to sign up to be a Shien ambassador. This is what I'm coming with today, and please remember, and notice, I do not leave my notes. So if you see me looking down for a bit, I'm just looking at stuff that I wrote down. So it is how to become a Shien ambassador, how to become a Collage Shien ambassador, and all these tips that I'm going to give you, it's for free. So if you're a Shien body like me and you're a Shien member like me and you like to save a little money, so you shop on Shien, this vlog is for you. So sit down, grab some juice, grab some water, and watch this vlog to the end. So guys, so there are two types of signing up. You have the College Shien ambassador and you have the Shien ambassador that I, who is not going to college, can sign up with on Shien. So there are two. There's a brand ambassador and there's the one that the college or my university students can sign up with. It is way easier to get through. Once you're a college student or a university student, it is way easier than to actually become a brand ambassador, which me now going to college and I can sign up for. But just watch and you'll hear how it goes. All right. For the ambassador for Shien, why it is way harder to sign up is that you have to have a particular amount of following on any social media platform that you're going to put on that paper or resume when you're signing up to become that ambassador. The requirements to become an ambassador for Shien: for Instagram, I think it's 10K followers. For TikTok, it's 10 to 15K following, and for YouTube, you're supposed to have at least 10,000 subscribers. On the other hand, to become a college ambassador, you do not need nothing. You do not need no form of following. You just have to go through the contract and sign up. It is way easier. it is way easier than to become an ambassador. So once you're a top girl or a top boy and you're a top influencer and have your 30K followers, bear in mind, once you're, even if you're not a college student and you want to do it the ambassador way, you can try this out. And once you're a Shien member, once you shop on Shien, you're a Shien body, just sign up. All these are for free, and it actually works like this. When you sign up, just like the Amazon affiliate program is similar. When you sign up, you get a coupon code just the same. When you post an outfit or whatever, there's a coupon code there. Once they shop through your coupon code, you automatically get paid. Probably it's like $1 or something, but everything adds up. To become a brand ambassador, no, a college brand ambassador for Shien, as I was telling you, that it's way easier. But if you're not in college and you're like between the ages of 20 to 20 odd, and you put that you're in college and you put the name of the college and you know you're not in college, they will find out, because they will ask you for your college email, and then they'll do what they're supposed to do and they will know. Once you're a college student, that email will be active. Once you're not a college student, they'll know, because the email will automatically be deactivated. So they will find out. So don't cheat the program, just be honest. So once you're being accepted, and this takes like 2 weeks for them to approve you. Once you have been accepted, you will be given your coupon code and you will be given your own link. Plus, the best part of it, you'll be getting free clothes, you'll be getting free stuffs, and you'll be getting discounts on any order. So the benefits of becoming an ambassador is great. So guys, how do you get noticed as being a Shien ambassador? Not talking about the college now, the Shien. Know this, guys. Any social media platform that you're using, ensure that the email address is legit. Ensure that it's active. Ensure that it's something that you get your notifications on. Next thing, create, I don't know why people keep on doing this, create good email addresses. Any social media, anyone they always have good address. There's some address that name fat poo that, fat poo this, f that, sexy biatch, or sexy that, sexy this. Listen, put legit email address. Using a name, build an email address. Always remember this. Even if you don't have a little regular, if you don't want to use that as one like a social media, something wanna, like you have 2 social medias, 2 TikTok account, 2 Instagram account, have a bad email for that one there, have a good one. Always ensure. I hate seeing resumes. When I take up the resume, you look on the email address, it's just not addressing. Like the email address just has a different, pretty this, pretty that, bad bitch this, but I hate it. Use legit email address. Remember this, as a young girl, as a young boy, use legit email addresses. How you get noticed as an ambassador, that's as an brand ambassador. Always put your email addresses in your descriptions, in your bio. Always put your email addresses in your bio. People can easily reach you. Big brands will easily reach you as that. They will probably send you direct messages. They will probably send you direct messages, but ensure that most of these companies reach out to you via email addresses. They don't normally reach out to you in your messages of the social media account. They reach out to you the proper way, because they are business people. Just beware when I see people reach out to you regular. Yeah. The next good thing about this is, if you do not reach 10K followers on your accounts, or 15K, whatever is required, they will still notice you. I know, and I've seen people who have been accepted in this ambassador program because they have an active account. Alright, you can have like 5,000, 6,000 followers, right? Because people refuse to follow you for what reason, I don't know. But whenever you post a video, you get over 2,000 likes, 5,000 likes, 10K likes. Then big company are gonna reach out to you because they're gonna say you're a hot boy or you're a hot girl and you're popular. If your followers are engaging to your account or they engage to your account, they like everything when you post it. The 10K posts go up like within 1 day, 2 days, you get 10K posts by your social media. That means that your followers have been engaged with your account, and that's a good thing. Brands will still look out for you. So how you will get noticed also is Hollister. I have a lot of Hollister shirts. Each time I post a shirt or a polo on social media, I tag them in it. I follow the companies, follow the stores and tag them. So when you put up your thing in your description, you tag Hollister, your hashtag Hollister, they will see. Now few of them not see. You see the hashtags, them hashtags are broad. That's why people wonder how people put so much hashtags. They might not find you sometimes when you make a post because you're not popular, but if you keep on using the hashtag, yes, they'll come on and say, but oh shoot, Anna posted 5 outfits on her line today and everybody liked it. She got like 10K followers. You know, I probably can reach out to Anna and see if she'll be interested in signing up, because I realized that every time she buy her outfits, we sell more products, we sell more stuff. Like she just posted that shirt and we made like 15 shirts, 15 sale off that one shirt. Then that company will see you as an opportunity, because guess what? They're gonna sell. You're a big deal. They are going to be a bigger deal because people are actually supporting them more since Anna posted this shirt. Okay, I'm not talking about that old shirt here, but I'm giving references. Okay, guys, don't come for me. Ensure that when you post, you tag, you hashtag. Believe me, there are people like us. No, I think sometimes their computers are, they have systems, computer or robots working, so they'll actually go through the tags. So if every outfit, or if you wear like 5 outfits, 10 outfits, and people actually like it, commenting on your outfit, oh I like your outfit, they'll faster to reach to you. So you don't even have to reach 10K. Those are the little things that they look out for. Those are the little things. You're not a celebrity, but there are many ways that you can go and get your money. There are many ways that you can go out. It no matter if I even Fashion Nova and I support Fashion Nova, tag them. But I'm basing on Shien right now, so I'm not gonna shift the topic and go on other stuffs. Those are the things that they look out for. The tags, the hashtags, the comments, the likes, the share. People purchasing the outfits, they look out for those stuff. But remember, they're not gonna want to choose you to become a brand ambassador if when they go through your social media, there's not one outfit of you in a Shien clothes. Everything is Polo, everything is Gucci, everything is Louis Vuitton. Go to Gucci or Louis Vuitton then. Me don't know why people sleep on Shien and feel like Shien close them because them cheap. Everybody want to save these days. Me say, everybody want to save. Everybody now want rich. Everybody now want to spend out them little money. When you're rich, you want to save. As a Jamaican girl, you want to save. You want to save a little bit. Right now, me feel say, tell me a person, if you ever never shop on Shien or if you never wear a Shien clothes, drop it down below. Drop it down below. Because right now, if you're going to a little store, them down so, Donatown, Santa Cruz, Mandeville, there is going to be Shien outfits. I purchased decors of Shien. I purchased the Eiffel Tower of Shien. I purchased the England Eye of Shien. There are many other little stuffs that I have purchased of Shien that is not clothes. My slides, my bags, it's Shien. Shien have some nice fluffy mats. You know, if you purchase only clothes. How do you apply to this program? All you do is go in Google, go in your browser and type in Shien brand ambassador and it will pop up. That's all you do. You're gonna see the link. Just go ahead and apply for the program. Do not sleep on these stuffs, guys. You see Jamaicans, I don't like how some of don't care. I don't go on like on have it, I don't go on like on rich, I don't go on like on a shame for beg. Fish, no, not beg, because this is not begging. Me with a shame for beg. I don't go on like on a shame for jump on a little something here or for make a little extra $5. If every one of them something here when me post every day, if you can make at least $5 off of each of them a week, no, $5 a day then. $5 a day. By the end of the week, if I even $50, $5,000, enough man now give you know that. Enough of we, I'm not showing the shares, but most of us hardly can find it. And it's just the truth. Follow the Shien accounts. Go on Instagram and follow Shien. Go on TikTok and follow Shien. Go on Twitter, follow Shien. Follow them on the social media. Follow their social media platforms. They will see you. They will engage with you. They will see that you're hyping up their brand. You're only allowed to apply between the 1st to the 20th of each month. That's the day when you're allowed to apply, the 1st to the 20th. What are you waiting for? It just takes 2 weeks to be accepted in the program. 2 weeks. This is what the page looks like. Go and check it out yourself. It's gonna ask you for your email that you use to sign up your Shien account. So whatever email you use to sign up your Shien account, that's the email that you're gonna put on the paper. It's very easy. So you get a reference code. Once they use it, you get your percentages off the purchase. So what are you guys waiting for? Why are you guys still sleeping? If you don't support Shien all the day on the life and Shien company just start, get to the program. Worse, if you're a college buddy, if you're a college student, go and go do one after the now. We want some extra cash, we want some extra cash. So that's basically it, guys. This is basically it. If you have watched to the end of this video, please like up the button. Just like up the button, run up the likes if you've reached to the end of the vlog. Drop a comment down below, guys. Let me know who is watching. Give me the shout outs. Let me know that you're watching. So guys, do remember to subscribe to the channel, share all the videos, screenshot, put it on social media and send them over by me. These are contents that are relatable. People actually love these stuff. So bye guys, have a blessed day, and I hope that this week is bringing you a lot of joy. So when you see this video, I probably would have filmed it like 2 days before. So have a blessed day, guys, and remember, put God first in anything you want to do, and bless up.